today we are going to make cookies.
What kind of cookies?
What kind of cookies, you may ask? Italian cookies.
Isn't it ricotta Italian cookies?
Ricotta Italian cookies. Because yes, we are using ricotta cheese. So, things that you will need. A half pound butter. 2 cups of sugar. 3 eggs. Any type of eggs will be fine, as long as they're not expired. 1 pound of ricotta cheese. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, which is
Vanilla extra.
2 of these. Two of these of vanilla.
Okay.
And
4 cups of flour.
4 cups of is this flour? This is
Yeah.
flour. Flour.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
This is baking soda, because it says baking soda. Pure baking soda.
And 1 tablespoon of salt.
Salt.
And of course, bowls.
You need 2, because you put your wet ingredients in here, but you're going to be using mixer because it's much easier. But if you want to hand mix it,
Hard work.
that's fine with you, but we are too lazy. And then this is where you put your dry ingredients. While that's mixing in there, you just pour the dry ingredients in with the mixer. So, let's get started.
First step is to put
A half pound of butter. We have these butter sticks, 4 of them, half pound.
and they all equal half pound, and these are already softened.
Yeah, so you need them softened before you could do this. You don't want them hard because it's really hard. Get it? Hard, hard. Ha. 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 This is...
You're supposed to get in the bowl, not on the side of the bowl.
It is in the bowl. The side is in the bowl. This is messy, so better have a...
Adult supervision, especially while using the mixer and oven.
I'm going to be using the mixer because I know how.
You can teach me.
Okay. Oh, can you... I got this. Hold on.
I'm going to do all the measuring for this. You can do all that. Because you're doing the eggs for this.
While Bailey does that, I'm going to wash my hands because I got butter.
Okay.
That's fun.
Now we
Over
need
to
the
the
measuring
sink.
cup.
I go.
And we're going to do 2 cups of sugar. Where's the cup? Oh, there's already 2 cups on here. Should I take a handful of this in my mouth?
Powdered sugar.
This is sugar, not powdered sugar.
Oh, sugar. Sugar.
Hold on.
Shake, shake, shake. That's about 2 cups. That's good.
Is that good?
That's good. Pour.
I do the measuring for this round, so that's next.
Did you did 2 cups? Eggs.
3 eggs.
I am a special trained egg cracker.
Explain how you crack the egg.
Like that. Another
Bailey,
one.
wanna try one?
No,
You sure?
I'll make a mess and get eggshell all in the batter.
Oh wait.
You got egg yolk all over there.
That's fine. Those are how to that's how to crack an egg, or 3. Next, 2
No!
Oh, what kind of ricotta cheese?
I need a spoon.
I got you. Or not. Just get that little bit of a ricotta cheese in there. Ricotta cheese makes it good.
That's what makes it ricotta Italian cookies.
Now, 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Is that a teaspoon?
That's a teaspoon. Be careful. You don't want to just pour it over this. Oh, is that the new one? There's barely any. I got butter on this on my hand. Technical difficulties.
No, I'm being careful so I don't spill it.
That's smart. A little bit more.
A little bit more all the way to the top. There you go.
Just pour on. One more of those.
Trying to get all of it.
And then you are done. Okay, so over here, you got the mixer. So what you want to do is put this attachment on, make sure this is locked. Put this on, lock this, make sure it's locked. And make sure it's also plugged in, that's an important part. So, you want to put it on stir. Oh, the ricotta cheese is really taking over. So put it on number 2. Let that mix for a little. Okay, and it looks like it's basically good. Honestly. Smells good from the vanilla. You can smell it, right? Smells good. So,
Now we're going to do the dry ingredients. First up is 4 cups of flour.
That's a lot of flour. I mean, think about it. How many flours do you have to pick for that? I wonder.
I'm just going to fill this up to 2 cups 2 times.
And then we need a little bit more. Yeah. Let's hope we have enough. I think we have enough. We should have enough. Yeah, we have enough. Oh, tap it. More.
Jeez, you're making me really a mess.
Oh, messes are always good with cooking. That's some nice flour. Must have picked some nice flowers. Get that flour. That's good. A little bit more. That's a lot of flour, actually. Nice shot of the cat. That's olive, if you didn't know. Okay. Just that's fine.
Okay, next up is 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking soda. That's how it bakes. That's why it's called baking soda. But don't worry, I only had 1 sip of Sprite and this is me. No, only one.
Oh.
1 teaspoon of salt. Smart. We got a mixing tool.
It's called a whisk.
I know, but I call it a mixing tool. You don't need to mix this a lot because
It's mostly flour.
yeah.
I was sticking over like the ricotta cheese.
So right now we have the mixer mixing.
The
It's
wet
on-
ingredients.
It's on stir, which is mixing the wet ingredients because you want to slowly pour the dry ingredients in so it's not all clump
Make sure your dry ingredients are all mixed together.
with a whisk. Also known as a mixing tool.
So we have this little fancy tool in here.
It makes it much easier to pour everything in. So
Now we're just going to pour in a little bit at a time.
use the whisk to get, okay. No, you can keep pouring it. Use the whisk to get some in. Or get it in because it's gonna all plump out if you don't. So, slow and steady.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Not always, but yeah. Yeah.
You're hitting the mixer.
No, hold on.
Whoa.
Gotta try to get it all in there. And then
I think most of it ended up on the whisk. The mixer.
just hit the bottom of it. Hold on.
Here we go. Come on.
Oh yeah, before you do all this, make sure your hands are clean. I forgot to say that in the beginning. Because
Okay, I think that's good.
okay, so after you mix all of your ingredients together, you are going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees to get it nice and toasty.
And when that's going, you can start putting your cookies on the tray.
You don't want them too big, and you want them around the same size, but not exactly because it doesn't matter if it's exact, but you want them around the same size so they cook better. You want to cook them for 10 to 12 minutes.
And how to do that, so you can get that nice short 10 to 12 minutes, is have your spoon, and you get some on about like that much, and then you just go like that. You're gonna get messy.
We
And
already
and
are
then you
messy.
just Put it in,
We already are messy.
and then you just put it into this nice.
Try to get them into a ball, because then it will shape out better.
And you want at most 4 on a tray sized like this.
4 by 4.
Yes.
See, my hands are very messy. You know what helps with messy fingers? And if your batter is too sticky, water helps. You could wet your fingers, and it will help round out. I don't have wet fingers right now, but it will help round out.
Are you gonna demonstrate the wet fingers?
I don't have water. You just dip your fingers in, and it helps. Just doing that and rounding it, and that's very messy. So yeah.
I'm on my 3rd column, row.
Mhm.
Which one?
Row. So that's pretty much it for putting them on. You just, if you want to make them big, you have to make them all big, and you can't like do 4 by 4. Just I recommend smaller.
Dyson, you have that nice 10 to 12 cooking time.